This is my lettuce plot. 4 rows of lettuce. I had initially planted them for harvest in the Christmas season. Well, look carefully. Lettuce. Even though lettuce is the main crop, I have intercropped the lettuce with some sweet pepper. Ideally, intercropping is planting a medium-term crop, and you plant a short-term crop in between or with it. So if you look, you will see sweet pepper, looking wonderful. These are not so large, they are like dwarf sweet peppers. So sweet pepper takes a longer time to reach harvesting stage or maturity. The lettuce will take anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks depending on how it is cared for. And I have different stages. And the sweet pepper takes about 2.5 months, thereabout. So the sweet pepper is a medium-term crop. Lovely sweet pepper. Look how it is branched. Our lettuce starting to fall. And we had a rain last evening, so you'll see much water on the leaves. Some more sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. And there are different varieties. These are the yellow ones. Especially the one that I'm pointing at, yellow. And there are other. The red one tend to have a little darker leaves. So here we are, lettuce folding. Here's some more sweet pepper. So remember that intercropping, growing of a medium-term crop, and then you have a short-term crop in between. These are looking wonderful. Another sweet pepper, blooming. The benefit of intercropping include you having to harvest your secondary crop and earning some cash while the medium-term crop is being developed or is developing. Nice again, well branched, so I'll get many fruits. Just need to add more fertilizer. So we had the rain. In some areas they are mulch to prevent soil from splashing up on the leaves. So I may have to do some pruning here. May have to do a little pruning. So there's another sweet pepper branched. So you have that fork. So that's the feel. It is our lettuce field with sweet pepper. Lettuce being the short term, sweet pepper being the medium term. And they're on drip line. So you can see those black line, drip irrigation. I have mixed. So we have different drip rate. So I have some red drippers and I have some black drippers, different rate. So there goes your field. This is a smaller sweet pepper here. I have different stages. You know, all were planted at the same time, but I had to do some supplying. Hence the different size. So here we are in our lettuce and sweet pepper plot. I'd also gone ahead and plant one row of sweet pepper on one of the outer band. So our intercropping sweet pepper and lettuce. It's not the strictest form of intercropping because the medium term crop should be the main crop and you plant the short term. But here the short term crop is the main one. Then we plant the lettuce. Then we plant the lettuce. That's how it should be. But here we plant the lettuce and then we have some sweet pepper in between.